And you can see it says R node over there. So pressing this button turns the Bluetooth, and you'll see there's a little Bluetooth sign over there, turns it on and off. So you have to keep it in for 5 seconds, and then it will go into pairing mode. So your next step would be to open up your a cell phone and use Bluetooth and pair to this, and it will show a little pin code over here, and it's paired. And once it's paired, then you can open Sideband, which is this application. You'll see Sideband, I have it set up that once it activates, you see starting R node, and once it activates this R node, you will see some things change, and then you'll see that little display, and that means this device is now connected to this R node. So